Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is a very exciting unboxing. Now this should give away what I've just received in the post. This is how I store my box to keep it nicely protected. So let's get everything out the way. And then I'll show you what has just arrived today. Now there's a reason why these are in slightly bigger packaging than normal, and let's get straight into the video and I'll show you why. I have actually already cut the sellotape around the edges, so we should be able to just, where's the opening, just be able to open it up like this. Here we go. Now this is going to be September's Bull and Bear bar, the 2025 spot price bar series, and there is a little extra in the bottom here. Yep, and I'm not going to show you what that is because I don't want to spoil the surprise for those of you that have yet to receive your September bars, so I will leave that in there for now. But let's get into the main event, and that is the actual bar. Absolutely loving collecting these. We're very close now to completing the whole collection as the year comes to an end. Extremely nicely wrapped. And here we go. So we have September 001 365 001, 34.7 grams. So one of the larger ones. They all weigh minimum 1 ounce. So it's very nice to see a slightly larger one here. And let's have a little look. Let's go for a zoom. Well, that already was zoomed. Let's go for a double zoom. There we go. 365 days of silver, spot price bars. 3 nines fine silver, and we have £30 an ounce. A really nice looking increase in percentage, 7.77%. So that is the increase from the first of the previous month, which was August. We always take the reading for these bars at the very first trading day of the month. So this was the reading at the 1st of September. Now, at time of filming, we're already sitting at £31 an ounce. So, way outdone my price prediction for 2025. I thought that we might see £30 an ounce towards the end of the year. I was thinking maybe the December bars will have £30 an ounce on them. But already we have £30 an ounce. And we've still got another few more months left of the year. So extremely exciting to see where silver's going to go. Absolutely stunning looking piece of silver. What an incredible collection this is turning out to be. I'm going to hold it over to the right hand side just to make it a little bit easier when I do my thumbnails later on. But yeah, really nice. Love these bars. An incredible finish to them. To think that these are sand casted, and that means the silver is poured into sand for these to be produced. They look like they're pressed, but they're not. They're actually poured into sand, and that is why they're all unique. That is why they all have different, I was going to say flaws, but not really flaws, different character to them. None of them are going to be absolutely perfect like a normal bar would be. But they're absolutely incredible. Amazing work and skill goes into producing one of these bars. But let's pop it into the box. That is my favourite thing to do with this collection. Actually put it into the box, because as this box is getting more and more full as the year goes on, it's looking even more incredible. Let's slide it over the back there. And let's pop it. Oh, P. That's interesting. Not sure why that's in there. Pop that over the side there. The letter P. But yeah, here we go. This is the collection so far. You can see January all the way through till August. It's been really interesting watching the spot price jump up and down. We opened the year at £23 an ounce. February was going up, March back down, April up, May back down, June it went up, July it went up, August it went up, and now, as you've just seen, September, we have another ball on the bar to signify it going up again. So yeah, really crazy to see the increase over the last few months. And where are we going to end up? Where are we going to see the December bar? Could it even be £35 an ounce now? At the beginning of the year, when we opened at £23, I would have said £35 an ounce at the end of the year was a little bit unrealistic. But now we're already £30. Definitely not unrealistic. We're already now, like I said, sitting at 31, possibly for the next bar here. So yeah, really, really nice to see. Stunning collection. Oh, we've lost light. That means the battery pack is running out. Yeah, we have lost power. This is how I power my light, with a battery pack. So I think what we're going to do there, I think we'll wrap the video up, because I haven't got another light to hand. Right, okay. Didn't plan for that. There we go. We'll put on a bit of light in there. But yeah, we're going to finish the video there. I need to go and find another battery pack, which I haven't got to hand right now. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you're enjoying this series. It's been a really, really interesting series to watch it, how it's developing. 3 more bars left to go to complete this collection. And what a stunning collection it's going to be when it's all filled up. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and hit that hype button if it lets you. The hype button is a new feature on YouTube. It doesn't always let you do it, but if it does, please smash the hype button, even though I'm not exactly sure what it does. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.